Legends, welcome back to the channel. John here. Just a quick final look then at this Proton 1.5 SE before it goes away to be dismantled and recycled. The interior then, I've left the interior inside. It's no good to me, and I've not got the space to store it at the moment, so this is all staying. Bench seat is staying, but everything else in here has been taken out. Passenger seat staying. Gear lever obviously have to stay. This has got to stay because it's being driven at the moment. All this interior and gubbins now out, but looking quite bare. Let's pop the hood because I've got to take off my battery pack from here. Let's open this up, have a quick look under here. I'll just place that on my head. There's the battery pack then, I'll leave that to one side because I'm going to need to start her up. She does still run and turn and drive off the key. No radiator in there, sorry, beg your pardon, no coolant system in there. The radiator's still there, it's no good, it's all rotten and rusty. Airbox is all knackered as well. So it's not things that I'm getting rid of that are any good. I just wanted to document it really. There's the engine going off to be recycled. Just shut that. And many people will be saying, hang on a minute, John, why are you doing that? Well, it has to be. It's been certified as scrap and off the road. We're clearly very rotten here on this front bumper. These sills are all rotten. This sill here, absolutely posh rotten at the back here. These wheel arches as well. This back isn't too bad. All under here, very, very rotten and rusty. Again here as well, have a poke with that. Yeah, rotten and rusty. All in there, rust. You saw the rust on the back arches there. There's a hole in that back bit there. And all these sills as well. This sill, posh rotten. So off she goes. Let's just have a quick look at that hole before we go. And then that will be it. That will be the end of this poor little Proton. Holy moly! Thanks to Nikki for gifting it to me. I've saved loads and loads of nice rare parts. And thanks to the gents who are going to be recycling it because they've effectively taken an old chassis out of my garden. Mrs. John Coupland will be happy. I've brought it round from the back. Well, let's go round the back. You'll be able to see that I've made a bit of a mess of the grass. Amy's not going to be happy. Whoops. Until next time, have a great day, whatever you're getting up to, and I'll see you on the next one. Goodbye.